And it didn't last more than 2 minutes when I found another super stupid solution for of the constraint solver in this particular case that you have just probably seen before. So this pipe is now aligned actually with this scaffold clamp, and also with this scaffold clamp, and also with a constraint, so to extend a set of given distance from the end of the clamp. But now I have decided this pipe should extend the other way rather than this way because I want it. So I want to just to delete this constraint and define a similar constraint on the other side. Now look what happens when I delete this constraint. Please note that there is no indication of any errors in the assembly. Also, the assembly does not indicate it requires update. But in any case, I will do rebuild all. So to be perfectly sure the assembly is perfectly perfect assembly. Okay, so it's updating. Okay, it did update. Now, constraint in question. So the face of the clamp with the face of the pipe. And now I will asset delete this constraint. And this brings up Autodesk Inventor delete selection. Yes, I want to delete this constraint. And now it seems there is a conflict in the assembly. Although nothing has changed, I have reduced the number of constraints, I have reduced the number of things that Inventor needs to solve. And why now it brings up an error that assembly is sick, that inconsistent relationship. It brings up an error because these are set to be flexible and Inventor is not capable of handling flexible components. So very simple, very clear example that flexibility prevents Inventor from solving assembly, which should not be the case because flexibility is nothing more than a promotion of constraints. So very clear example and very simple case. Deleting a constraint that is valid in the assembly that is fully valid results in not valid assembly, which is nonsense.